Yes, hello. I am COFFEEDOSA, a PiCoin specialist YouTuber from Korea. In this video, I have created a guide on how to use and sign up for the COIXA wallet, which could become the #1 sub-wallet for PiCoin. First of all, unfortunately, the App Store version has not been released yet. It looks like it will be released in about a month. Currently, only those who are using Android phones can download it from the Play Store and try it out. If you own an Android phone and are watching this video, you can go to the Play Store and type in COIXA and you'll see the COIXA wallet appear like this. It appears as a pre-release version, and although it says that only about 1,000 people can use the pre-release version, it seems that more people can actually use it right now. So I think it would be good for you to download it and give it a try. If you have been using the web version, simply click the Import Wallet button at the bottom and enter your secret phrase. If you are using the COIXA wallet for the first time and signing up, just click the Create Wallet button at the top and then create a new wallet. After clicking the Create Wallet button, your secret phrase will appear. So after checking your secret phrase, since you can't take a screenshot of it, you can write it down by hand in a notebook. The secret phrase is the core of the BizTalk wallet. If you lose your secret phrase, you won't be able to use or recover that wallet, so be sure to write it down by hand. For users who signed up through the web version of the existing wallet, if you enter your secret phrase like this, your wallet can be restored. Once you have completed all these steps, a security settings button will appear here. If you set up security features here, such as biometric authentication, fingerprint recognition, or facial recognition, you can use this wallet even more securely. After completing all these steps, you will see a screen like this. However, since you haven't entered your private key yet and haven't linked it, you need to connect with the Pi wallet for various tokens on the testnet related to the Pi wallet to be displayed. This is the screen shown in the COIXA wallet after entering your private key and linking it with the Pi wallet. If any of you feel uneasy about the COIXA wallet, since it hasn't received KYB yet and you feel something is off, you don't have to enter your Pi wallet's private key. If you are looking to use the COIXA wallet by directly linking it with your personal Pi wallet, simply go ahead and click on the settings button located right down below. After clicking, simply select the button at the very top to add another one of your wallet accounts. And the Develop Settings button, which is the fourth one from the bottom, is where you can switch between the testnet and mainnet of the Pi wallet. So, if you want to switch between the testnet and mainnet, just click the Develop Settings button and the option will appear there. So, if you want to link your Pi wallet with the COIXA wallet, you'll need to create an additional wallet. To do this, just click on Account Management at the very top. Then, instead of the existing main wallet, if you click on Add Account below, you'll see a button that says Import with Private Key, prompting you to enter your private key. As for which private key you need to enter, since you want to link it with your Pi wallet, you should go into your Pi wallet. Note that the testnet does not work for this in the Pi wallet. If you go into the Pi mainnet, you'll see a settings button at the top right corner. When you click the settings button, you'll find an option called Show My Private Key, which allows you to view your private key. Just copy this and paste it in. So, after adding a new wallet account, click the Enter Private Key button there and input your private key. With this, the COIXA wallet and Pi wallet will be linked. Easy, right? I think it would be great if you give it a try and take on the challenge. If you want to use the Pi wallet by linking it through the COIXA wallet, I recommend giving it a try. Once that's done, if you just click the button at the bottom, you'll be able to use the wallet freely and easily in most cases. If you click the reward button, you'll see your referral code appear here. So your own referral code will appear. Once it appears, try using the wallet with it, and if you find the wallet satisfactory, you can share your referral code with your PiCoin referrals and help them sign up. Like PiCoin, yes, if you recruit a certain number of referrals, you will be awarded points. So if you found my video helpful, I would appreciate it if those of you who sign up after watching this video enter COFFEEDOSA, COFFEEDOSA, as the referral code. So if you look below, have a referral code, you'll see an empty field at the bottom. You just need to enter your code here. So I would appreciate it if you could enter my code. Whenever you enter this specific referral code, both I and the person who enters it will each receive a total of 10 reward points. So the more referrals you make, the more points you'll accumulate. These points can later be used in your wallet for various benefits and economic advantages. So I highly recommend that you try to collect as many points as possible. Also, if you look at the top, besides the referral section, there is a missions tab. It seems that the missions section isn't ready yet, but it looks like the missions will open soon. If you complete all 9 missions, you'll be awarded a total of 180 points. I think it would be good to pay attention to these missions as well. In the future, when these missions open, if you complete all of them, you'll be able to earn 180 points. I think there's a high possibility that these points will be used for various discounts, such as when swapping in the future. Yes, since you can use them for things like fee discounts, it would be good to collect as many points as possible. Also, if you click the Explore button at the bottom, you'll see options to link accounts from exchanges that can already be connected, such as Kraken, OKX, and BitGet. In addition, it also shows that you can connect to blockchain explorers. So the Pi Blockchain Explorer and PiScan are also integrated and displayed. Next, as for dApps, since there are currently no dApps integrated yet, it's left blank, but in the future, I think many dApps will be connected with this coin shop, and things like NFTs and games are expected to be included in the dApps section. It seems that PiDex is not far off. The fact that the CoinShop wallet, even as a pre-release version, has been registered on Android could mean that Google has already given it a certain level of recognition. Pioneers, all of you around the world, I think it would be great if you could prepare for PiDex together through this CoinShop wallet. I have entered my private key and I'm using it well in sync. I think it would be good for you to try entering your private key as well and to use it in sync. If this video was helpful, please subscribe and like. Thank you.